Okay, so to do this problem by synthetic division, I start with my upside down division bar. Okay, inside the division bar, I'm going to put the equation I'm dividing, just the coefficient. What I want to make sure, though, is that I account for every term. So this is 5x cubed, but I don't have an x squared term. I need to put a placeholder. You need a placeholder no matter which way you're dividing. Okay, so then we'd have 2 and -3. I draw a line before the constant, because this is going to be my what? It's going to be my remainder. Did you want to ask a question?
Do you have like 5x to the 20th and the next closest term is like x to the first? You got to
so if I had 5x to the 20th, I'd have to put a 0 for x to the 19th, a 0 for x to the 18th. Right, I would. Okay, good question. So I take the opposite of this. Remember, it only works if x doesn't have a coefficient. So I put what I'm dividing by, just the opposite, which is -2. I bring down the 5. I multiply 5 times -2, and I get -10. The nice thing about synthetic division is I'm just adding. So 0 plus -10 is -10. -10 times -2 is 20. This is why I don't like making up problems. 2 plus 20 is 22. -2 times 22 is -44. When I add, I get -47, right? Okay, so why did I put this line here? Because this is my remainder. So I know that it's going to be -47 over x plus 2. Okay, that makes this 22. Okay, and you can make that a minus sign, sorry. And then, so it's plus 22. Then this is going to be my what term? So this is -10x. Okay, making this 5x squared. Okay, so our minus sign, or negative sign becomes our minus sign. Okay, and that's how you do the synthetic division. Do you want to go ahead and ask the question while I'm still... Go ahead.
So you get rid of the x cubed?
You don't get rid of the x cubed. When you divide x cubed by x, it's going to cancel out.
Oh.
Think about how you do dividing by a monomial. So the best way to keep track of it, though, is you know the last one is your remainder, and then just build up. Constant, linear, quadratic, and so forth, okay?